The Aperol Spritz, it's a very famous Italian cocktail known for its refreshing and bittersweet profile. It's a great option to have before meals because it stimulates the appetite. Let's start. First of all, let's get our wine glass well filled and we're gonna build the Aperol Spritz over ice. Starting of course with the star Aperol. Gonna use 2 ounces, 60 ml. Prosecco, we will do 3 ounces of Prosecco, about 90 ml. I like to pour into my jigger to get the perfect measure. Most of bartender they pour straight in over ice and it can get a different balance. And to finish up, 1 ounce or 30 ml of soda carbonated water. We're gonna use our bar spoon to gently mix the ingredients. As this wine glass it's very big, we're gonna just put a little bit more ice and cut a fresh orange slice. Using your tweezer, you're gonna finish up garnishing your Aperol Spritz. Cheers!